Imagine waking up to support tickets saying, "Why did you charge my EMI twice?" And then another one. Soon you realize your payment worker is charging the same installment multiple times. No code bug, no logic mistake, just one missing state in the system design. Let me show you how this actually happened in production. Our system processes EMI installments automatically. We used a bull queue worker running every minute. The worker picks 20 pending installments, process them, and deducts payment. Here's the flow looked like. Worker runs every minute, fetch 20 installments where status is pending, deduct payment, mark installment completed. Seems straightforward, right? Well, here's where the design problem started. The installment table had only two states, pending and completed. That means the record remained pending while the payment was processing. And payment processing isn't always fast. Sometimes it takes network calls, gateway latency, retries. Occasionally, the worker would take more than 1 minute to finish. Now imagine this timeline. At 0th minute, your worker starts. Fetch installment, let's say ABC, where status is pending. Payment processing starts. But the payment takes 70 seconds. And at first minute, a new worker starts. It executes, and guess what? Installment ABC is still pending. So the second worker picks the same record again. Now you have worker A processing payment, worker B processing the same payment. And this is where the real pain begins. Now you have duplicate charges, angry customers, refund processing, reconciliations, support tickets. Finance teams get involved. Manual refunds start happening, and suddenly a small design oversight becomes a financial operations nightmare. This wasn't a coding bug. The code did exactly what we asked it to do. The problem was system design. We missed a critical state in our workflow. The system should look like having a pending, processing, and completed status. The correct flow should be fetching pending installment, immediately mark them processing, and run the payment, and mark completed. Now another worker cannot pick the same record, but adding a processing state alone still isn't enough. In production systems, you always assume something might run twice. So we added a few safety layers. Idempotency. This simply means even if the same payment request happened twice, only one payment should actually go through. Most payment gateways support this using an idempotency key. Database lock. We lock the row when processing the installment. That way, two workers cannot process the same record at the same time. Job deduplication. We make sure the queue doesn't accept duplicate jobs. So if the same installment job is added again, the queue rejects it. So the most dangerous production bugs are not syntax errors. They are design assumptions. And in backend engineering, always designs for failures. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to the channel.